Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will talk about how to generate YouTube banner using AI and sell it on platform like Fiverr. For this, we will use Brand Crowd website. Firstly, we will search for Brand Crowd website in Google search bar. Then we will write our YouTube channel name for which we want to create banner. For this example, we are making for a channel name as Gaming X. So here are thousands of banners generated by AI. Now we will select whichever we like. We can also customize this banner generated by AI according to our client's need. That's all from today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share, and subscribe.